we're going to do something when we have finished doing a blank, and in this case we have got something coded. Basically, the blank with the Ninja automatically create for you your work. For example, we can see here, you link to the class, this all automatic create, and my apprentice together with me has coded some logic. It's working because it is referring to the models that existed here. And where is this code? We can look it up. Show in package explorer. Here it is. So now I'm going to package this for deployment to the binary of the client. First, of course, I got to rename, right? And I can also test it under debug mode. Okay, if I run this and I can put a stop here to testing, and you can see that it's highlighted, meaning it's in play. However, there is an error here, so I have to correct this error. Maybe in my blank is something about this holder XML. I can stop it. Let me try and fix it. There is holders that I put because there was no code in it, and now you can just basically delete them away. So is it with this one? So giving copies of blank can be reusable very quickly to save you time from doing set up, copy, and you may make mistakes. So the whole idea is that, okay, we don't need all this now. Pull out the stops. Under OSGi, that's also one. So if I remove all this and I test it again, and then I'm going to export this out. So I'm going to see if I can do that. Let me run again. If I ever hit the error, so it looks good, all red, no different colors. Getting to its database, version 10, 2021, some data. You can't get everything right in the big ERP, and it looks like there is no error. And in the OSGi, see, they're all deployed. That's my blank. Blank should be right here, is active. So this is not to show the testing so much. I just want to show how I deploy this. So basically, I will rename it first, or I'll just delete it first. Which one should I do first? Well, I can rename it here. Resource, you need to change its name. No, it's not done here. Basically, refactor, rename. I'll call it the client name, which is version 10. I'll call it just events. Okay, update references. It goes to the top of the stack. I'm going to rename it also, I believe, somewhere in property. Resource. So these show in System Explorer. Okay. Anyway, I will delete this out and not delete the source. Go to find it in the folder. Right, it's under the project. It's called blank, but this time I'm going to change the name to KLS events. Alright, so let me go back here, pull it back in. This is how you take the blank, but this time I've renamed it. So let me come to and I have events. I open it, finish, don't create. Okay, good. So I got this name like that, and I always want to check this. All right, and then I will just do a deployment. Basically, you're going to export it out, okay, as a plugin. Deployable plugin and fragment. First time I'm trying it. It's still named here, read one blank. Let me get back to that, but now you get the idea. I just got to rename. Basically, this video is about renaming it, so might as well I do it. And where it is somewhere in the properties. Oh, now I remember, in the manifest file. Okay, you see here. Yep. So I'll call it KLS events, and I'll say basically it's been upgraded to 10, so I will put it version 10 dot, just to shut it up. So you'll call it KLS client event handling. Who's the vendor? Yeah, under Thailand, so I'll just put it Multi Solutions Thailand, and Java 1.6. That's old. That's really old. Okay, we come to here, save it. Let's give a once over on the build properties. Everything should look fine. So let me do the export again. Basically just renaming and deploying, so I don't want to make the videos to be too long. Let's see if it works. It doesn't, I'll fix it. I'll get back to this. Okay, and there is, of course, I think it wants me to give a target location. I think I'll just put it here under patches and the iDempiere. No, I think I done the backup. So basically I want to put everything here, but be very organized. That's the thing. It should be very organized. So what I'll do is I'll create a new folder, call it plugins. Okay, random plugins, Ninja plugins. Always document well. This is what I will leave you with. So I've got it there. Let's finish. Let's go. So under, where are we? Are we where we are? Projects. You should have your Ninja plugins, and there's one plugin here. Here you are, and just deploy this under console, install, and so forth. I will show you in the following lesson. Basically, we have deployed, we have renamed from a blank plugin, created or injected by Redon Ninja. More lessons to come. This is just going ahead, give you a feel of it. Bye bye. Let me shut this down.